Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login Aid. In this guide video, I will show you how to add music in CapCut PC. So first of all, what you have to do is launch open CapCut. You can see over here I have already opened it. Open the project in which you want to add the music. After doing that, make sure to import the videos, photos and add it to the track. Now after doing that, if you want to add the music, it is quite simple. What you have to do is look right over here. You'll be able to find the options like media, audio, text, stickers, effects, etc. Simply click on the option audio. Now from here you'll be able to add the audio. You'll be able to find various options like import, yours, music, beats, vlog, chill and dreamy, etc. If you want to import from your own device, simply click on this option import. Now after that, you can see over here you'll be able to extract the audio from the videos and import it over here. Or if you want to add the music, simply click on any of the option. You'll be able to find various options over here. Click on the music that you want to add. You can also preview the music like this. Now if you like this music, what you have to do is simply drag it to the track. Now you can see over here the music has been added. So that is how you add music in CapCut PC. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.